Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that you all are fit and fine, and I'm also doing great. So, this is Sankhop. Now, I would like to talk about importance of listening. Listening is one of the most important skill of English learning. Before we can speak, we must need to listen, because of we have wondered that when a child grew, he didn't speak, he cannot able to speak, but after hearing, after listening, he start to speak. And also I have experienced that a lot of children, they can speak Hindi language very well by watching movie, by cartoon movie. They watch a lot of different kind of videos from Hindi channel. The reason why they can speak very well Hindi. At the same time, I can realize that they are speaking Hindi fluently by listening. And I can understand that if I listen English daily, I will able to speak English. This is very important thing. Whenever we listen, we must need to care one thing, that we must need to put our earphone, okay? Earphone help us to listen clearly the sound. When after listening, we have to practice ourselves what we listen. First, if you don't know which topic you want to listen, but you can choose your favorite topic, or you can listen easy language conversations. After listening this thing, we can make conversation with your friend and also teachers. You can practice. In that way, I hope that you will be able to improve yourself. By listening, we understand a lot of things. We can learn new word, pronunciations, and we can familiar with native speaker. We can follow them also. We can learn only not vocabularies, not pronunciation. Also, we can learn English speaking and also grammatical. So I would like to request you that you are also learner English. So listen English. Even a few minutes you are listening in a day, it will become one day good for you. That is all about my topic. Thank you for listening. Thank you.